That was fun, dude.
I just can't do the triple, Elvis. I just can't.
What's wrong out there? I don't know, Elvis. I just can't do the triple. I just can't do the triple. Doug, let me show you how to do it. Okay.
Oh, that flat tracking is so fun, man.
Yeah, Doug. Alright, I gotta go, guys.
was fun, dude.
I just can't do the triple, Elvis. I just can't.
Oh, that flat tracking is so fun, man.
Oh my God.
I love when I can get on the gas early in the corner. You know?
Oh yeah,
So
whenever
fun.
you did too, I was like, that's why he won so much. Man,
Oh,
I just can't. Whoa. I just, I'm not very good in the corners, and you definitely were teaching me to open it up a little bit and come at it at a different angle. That was sweet.
Supermoto line.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah,
that was so fun.
Yeah.
I could have done that all day.
Awesome.
Never get enough of that. That was sweet. Thank you so much for riding me like that. I appreciate that.
That was fun.
That was cool.
I was like, I'm trying not to, like the roost. I know it could be bad.
No, don't worry about it. I was staying out of your line.
Yeah.
There was one time coming into that after you go down the hill,
Yeah.
you about got into that flagger's pole.
Yeah. I know. It's, I got let off a little earlier there.
Oh, that was awesome. I hope somebody got some good pictures of that. I got it on this.
Oh, good.
So
Awesome.
I think it's gonna be cool.
Yeah, definitely got to send me some footage.
I definitely will. That's awesome. Heck yeah! Thank you so much for doing that.
Dude, thank you.
That was
man.
awesome.
I'm telling you, thanks for coming out with us.
Anytime you want to do that again, let me know.
All right, you got it.
I'm really sorry that I left you guys like that, but that was so much fun. I was like a kid on Christmas.
Dude, I was like, you can't pass that up.
Dude, that was so cool.
Dude, one time I was